Welcome everybody to Unit Standard 2452822. Apply a systematic approach to achieving your objectives. If we break this title down, it simply means that in order for us to achieve our goals, we have to have a plan in place. Any manager within a company has to plan and set goals for that company to be able to achieve ultimately its goals. And we have different goals. We have short-term, medium, and long-term goals. A long-term goal can last anything from 5 to 10 to 20 years. When we look at a company, there are different lines or different levels of management that are responsible for different goals. If we look at our shareholders and our top management, these are directors and owners of the company. They are responsible for our long-term goals. Our middle management, this is heads of departments, HR manager, production manager, sales manager. They are responsible for the medium-term goals. And then lastly is our line managers. These are our foremen and our supervisors. They are responsible for working with the employees on a daily basis, and they are responsible for the short-term goals. Each employee will have a task that he has to do every day within the company, and it is the supervisor and the foreman's responsibility to make sure that each employee has achieved their targets. If we look at how the process will come, we have, at the end of the day, we have goals and we've got objectives. So what is the difference between a goal and an objective? A goal is something that we just put in place, that we say, all right, we want to achieve this. And an example would be, I want to get a job. So that is our goal. It is the end result that we want. But we need to put different objectives in place to be able to achieve getting a job. Number one would be, for instance, that I need to do a CV. Then maybe I need to have the CV edited and checked and proofread so that at the end I can make sure that the CV that's going out has no errors in it. Then I would have another objective to say that I'm sending out my CV to at least 10 companies per day, and this must be done in the next week. And so we carry on, ensuring that at the end of the day we've done all of our objectives and we've achieved all of our objectives to be able to get a job. Remember that you must always have a goal in place that you can achieve. If we set an unrealistic goal, at the end we become demotivated and won't want to carry on. Remember to always use the SMART formula, which you will find on pages 42 and 43. This formula makes sure that you are looking at that are your goals realistic? Can you measure them? Can you achieve them? Are they realistic, and do they have a time to it? If we don't put a time towards our goals, then it means that we won't be dedicated on working towards it every single day. Remember, an objective spells out what you want to do, by when it must be done, and who will be doing it. So within a company, it's not you that's just working on your own. You have team members as well, and each team member has different goals and objectives that they've got to achieve on a daily basis.